In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of any image in Canva. Whether you're looking to give your images a fresh look or make them fit your design aesthetic, Canva offers a simple and intuitive way to do this. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to load up Canva and open the project where your image is located. To begin, click on the image that you'd like to change the color of. Once you've selected your image, you'll notice that a toolbar appears at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click it again to further ensure the image is selected and you're ready for the next steps. In the toolbar, you'll see various options for editing your image. Look for and click on the Edit option. This is where Canva provides a wide array of tools that allow you to enhance and manipulate the image to your liking. Next, from the list of available effects, find and select Duotone. Duotone is a versatile tool that allows you to apply different color overlays on your image, providing a rich and varied color palette. Once you've clicked on Duotone, a new sidebar will appear displaying several preset color options. You'll see there are multiple Duotone effects to choose from. Take your time to scroll through the options and click on any preset that catches your eye. Let's say you decide to go with the cherry effect. Selecting this will instantly apply a beautiful red hue to your entire image, offering a striking visual demeanor, but the customization doesn't stop there. If you want your image to stand out even more, you can further tweak the highlights. In the sidebar, adjust the sliders to modify the brightness of the lighter areas of your image, achieving the perfect balance of contrast and color saturation. Similarly, the shadows can also be adjusted. You simply move the sliders to intensify or soften the darker areas of your image, which helps in lending depth and dimension. Finally, you have the option to tweak the intensity. Adjusting this will affect how subtle or pronounced the duotone effect appears on your image. It's a great way to ensure the effect aligns with your overall design. So, there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to change the color of any image in Canva. This tool opens up a world of creative possibilities, making your designs even more unique and engaging. So go ahead, experiment with different colors and effects, and see how they transform your images. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!